Y'all, I am so mad. I am mid-tutorial. Half my nails are done because I already filmed this, but the camera thing got corrupted, so we're back at it again. Happy Halloween, okay? We are in the 13 days of Halloween, which may end up being more than 13 days. So, in this kit, this is from Pine, and they are a UV and LED gel polish. And I got the Halloween kit. They sent this over. I will link it below. You can get it off Amazon, which you guys know I'm an Amazon-aholic. So I put everything back in there. Yep, I know. All right, so this is actually, I have this right here. So this is how this came, all nice and packaged, and I want to do a GLAM set with this because I thought that would be so fun, a GLAM Halloween set. It just spoke to me instantly, had to do it. These are glow in the dark and they are so fun. I can't make them glow right now because it's really light out, but these are so cool. And they work really well actually. And then last but not least, we have these stickers. And so they are all stickers. They are not water decals, so you can stick them on. And I haven't had any issues of them coming up. I've double top coated them if I do them on top, but I also like to embed, so I haven't had any issues because I've already used some of the gold ones. All right, let's get into the polishes. So this is their Halloween set. I think I have already said that. So let's pull these back out because I haven't done that before. Can you check the sarcasm? So you get your base gel, and this is a soak off polish. I do use soak off and non-soak off if you're using hard gel, but this is a soak off, and you get a base coat, which this would be obviously your first set. This is a little bit more watery than your gelish, although my gelish is super old, so it could just be over time. Now, what I liked about this kit specifically is that it came with a matte and a shiny top coat. Not many kits come with that, and I did really like that about it. Matte is usually a thicker consistency, and this is no exception. Also, fun fact is that these shape bottles are different than their polishes. So their polishes are not are oval, and their base and top are round. I like that because, again, I think if you saw my, is it double dip? They did color coding. So let's get into some swatching here. Like I said, I'm starting to get enough gel polishes that I can do some comparisons. I'm not gonna lie, I wish I had this a little bit earlier. Okay, so I am going to go ahead and start swatching. So P170, and this is going to be your black. P169. That's a really pretty red. $166. This is your yellow, and this is like the perfect yellow to do like a moon with, like, you know, like a maybe like sunset. Not moon. Did I say moon? This one is very opaque. I like this one a lot. Yeah, that's a one coater. This is the first one coat out of the 3 so far. All right, we're doing 168. And this is like a peachy orange, because it's not orange. Like, it's not a solid orange. It's definitely a peachy orange instead of a peachy pink. And that is pretty much a 1 coat coverage as well. $165. And this is your Halloween orange. Look at that. That's so nice. And I would say this is a 1 coat. I would probably do the ones that are 1 coat, a thin coat, and do 2. Even though this is a 1 coat, like no shadowing whatsoever, I would still do 2 thin coats. $171. And this I think is an interesting color. So it's almost like a neon, but it's a little sheer. Like, I don't know how to describe this one. It's almost like a bright jelly. Like, you could do a super thin coat of this and have awesome jelly nails. $167, and y'all know I love me some glitters. This is kind of like a foil glitter, and I love that look. I don't know if you guys have seen some of my other videos where I use foil glitters. I love that look. So this is probably my favorite type of glitter because I like it to be non-uniform, and I just love it. Now I would do 2 coats of this because what you're gonna wanna do is make sure it's even. You can get away with 1 coat, absolutely. Totally can. But I like 2 coats because there is a base color to this versus some of the other foils that don't necessarily have a base color, but there is that kind of gold base color there. P172. This one can absolutely go into Christmas. Actually, I honestly think both of these, really all the colors can, as far as the glitters. So maybe not colors. So this is not a foil. This is just a fine glitter that has a colored base. So you could also do a jelly nail with this, kind of similar to the other one that I was showing you guys. This seems like a fine little red sled from Light Elegance. $173, and this will be great for winter time. And I believe this is going to be like the, yeah, it's like the red one. So you have the gold as the foil, and then you have the red and the blue with that jelly fine glitter. Yeah, I like this one a lot. Look at how pretty that is. All right, I hope you guys enjoyed these swatches. Sorry it was not my first impression for most of them because I had done it already. And it's just really aggravating. So I am actually going to put the tutorial in a separate video because I am so mad that I lost the footage for this video. But I guess it's Halloween, so spooky things happen. But overall, I think this is actually a really great collection. I was a little surprised at how versatile some of these colors can go in from Halloween into now holidays. So you have your reds, which reds are fall as well, but this is specifically a Halloween kit, so it's more geared, I think, towards just the end of the season, not just Halloween. So you have your glittery colors, which again can go straight into the holiday season. This blue is perfect for winter. You have your reds to your oranges. I like the different shades in oranges, plus you get that kind of it's almost like a milky yellow. It's not a bright yellow by any stretch of the imagination. It's a milky yellow. And then that foil gold is just awesome. And then your typical black, which I think is great. A white might have been cool to see in this as well, but I'm not disappointed it's not in there because I feel like whites probably come in a lot of other kits as well. So I will make sure to link these below, and I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you for the tutorial that literally will be up at the same time. I am posting both at the same time because this is a little bit of a shorter video, and then we will get into the fun nail tutorial. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys are paying attention during my videos, just saying. You know, look for the letters. Is that a hint? Look for the letters. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.